What's up guys, bitterice here, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to jailbreak your iOS device with no computer. So, as you can see on screen, I have the newest iOS 13.3. Now guys, we have to open internet browser and go to getjail.com. Getjail.com. This is only working site I found on the internet. Now I'm going to select device and iOS version. After choosing these two things, we need to click Start Jailbreak button and confirm it. Okay guys, now you can see a black screen with weird text on your iOS device. Shortly speaking, site trying to root your device because of installation the Cydia. This process requires a lot of memory, so developer need to be sure you are a human, not a bot. To confirm it, we need to download two apps from here and follow instruction given in the content locker. Each of you may have slightly different app, so pay attention what each app's required to do. Sometimes it might be installing app and open them for at least 30 seconds, other time it might be open up and play game until level 3 or more, and sometimes it might be open up and sign up. So, once more again, make sure you do exactly what each individual app says, as each step is crucial to finish this process. So yeah, basically guys, just make sure you do exactly what each individual app says. Once you've completed, the Cydia app should appear after restarting your phone. But sometimes it takes up to 30 minutes to fully install the Cydia. If it's not working, then you did content injection wrong. You need to go back and do the content injection over again. In this case, I recommend installing more apps, leaving them longer, and just like I said, following each individual app's instruction. So guys, if the injection didn't work right away, go back to the content injection page and just install more apps, follow their instruction exactly as they says. And you should be fine guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your jailbroken iOS 13.3 device. So yeah guys, as you can see, I've just restarted the phone and Cydia appear on my home screen. Guys, this Cydia app is working, it's got all the feature we need. As you can see, this thing is fully loaded guys. And as I said, you don't need a computer, this works on all iOS devices like iPod, iPhone, iPad mini, every single iPhone version.